You are going to love the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, convertible hardtop, electronic stability control, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.